Hi friends, this is Nirmal Patel from Akshar Education, and in this video we are going to learn area formulas of 5 basic shapes. Before we start doing the questions based on the area and surface area, this is not important, but this is super important to understand and to know the formulas of rectangle, area formula of square, area formula of triangle, area formula for circle, and area formula for parallelogram. So the very first thing is rectangle. How does the rectangle look like that? So we can see it looks like that here. So all the angles are right angle in rectangle, and this is the length and this is the width. Then area of rectangle is the easiest one among all, which is nothing else but length multiplied by width. So area of rectangle is length multiplied by width. Now square. In square and rectangle, everything else is same. Only the thing is in square, all the sides are equal. So all these side lengths are equal. All the angles are definitely 90 degrees as well. So let us say this length I'm telling like S, side length S. This is also side length L, S. So this formula of rectangle and square as such are not different. We did L times B. So here we'll be doing the same thing. Side multiplied by side, side times side, which is going to be side square. If I'm writing down this is L and L, then I can also put down area equal to L square, which is also very common in many books. So area of rectangle is length times width. Area of square is side square. Now triangle, guys. Area of triangle. So triangle, guys, that's how it looks like. Two very important component of triangle area is one is a base. So this length is called the base. And from this vertex, when I'm drawing the perpendicular line, can you see there is a right angle here? This perpendicular line and that length is my height. So this is the base and this is the height. And then area of triangle is 1/2 base times height. So I'm done with the 3 formula. Area of rectangle is length times width. Area of square is side square. Area of triangle is 1/2 base times height. Now the fourth one is a circle. So circle, let us say this is the center of the circle and the radius is R. If radius is R, then area of circle is pi R square. Here you got to be a little bit careful, guys, because a lot of students get confused in 2 pi R and pi R square. 2 pi R is a circumference, yeah? But if you're talking about the area, it is pi R square. Now parallelogram. Parallelogram, let's try to understand what is parallelogram. So basically parallelogram is nothing else, but if you take a rectangle, and then if you squeeze your rectangle, yeah, that wonky rectangle I will say is a parallelogram. I can take a rectangle, squeeze a bit, that wonky rectangle is my parallelogram. For the area formula of the parallelogram, I need 2 things. One is this length, which is called base, and the height is a perpendicular distance between these 2 sides. So this wonky side we are not going to take, but the perpendicular distance between 2 sides, that's my h, and that area formula is base times height. So again, guys, all 5 formulas you can also speak with me. All right, close your eyes, don't look here, and try to speak with me. So area of rectangle is length times width. Area of square is side square. Area of triangle is 1/2 base times height. Area of circle is pi R square, and area of parallelogram is base times height. Out of these 5 formulas, rectangle, square, triangle, circle will be used that widely in solving different questions of area and surface area questions, guys.